Sexual harassment prevention begins with training. All workplaces in California with 5 or more full-time and part-time employees must provide 1 hour of sexual harassment training for all non-supervisory employees and 2 hours of sexual harassment training for all supervisory employees by January 1, 2021. Sexual harassment training must be repeated once every 2 years thereafter. If you have the authority to hire, fire, assign, transfer, discipline, or reward other employees or recommend those actions, you meet the definition of a supervisor under California law and fall under the 2-hour training requirement. Additional training provisions state that new supervisors must be trained within 6 months of starting a supervisory position. Non-supervisory employees must be trained within 6 months of hire. Temporary or seasonal employees must be trained within 30 calendar days after their hire date or within the first 100 hours worked, whichever occurs first, and training must be documented to track compliance with the requirements. Sexual harassment training will help you identify occurrences of sexual harassment in your workplace or situations with the potential for sexual harassment that you may have thought were okay before training. For example, you are aware that a male nurse and his female nursing supervisor are involved in an intimate relationship. Is this a problem? While the relationship seems consensual, it is generally prohibited at most workplaces for a supervisor and a direct report to have a relationship because of the potential for a quid pro quo sexual harassment complaint. In this case, the nursing supervisor is in a position to offer or deny job benefits to the nurse, such as directly influencing the nurse's schedule or patient assignment or the quality of the nurse's job review that impacts his compensation. On the other hand, 2 employees may have such a relationship without creating a potential for quid pro quo if they are not in a supervisor-direct report relationship. However, this will depend on the company's fraternization or dating policy that spells out acceptable and unacceptable behaviors for all company employees.